Welcome to Origami, easy origami and paper art. Today we'll be making Christmas tree origami. You can print it in white, green and pink color. Links are in the description box. We will cut this square out and these two stars. Now we will fold it. Use your nail, it will be smoother, and go this way. On the other side, go that way. Now rotate the paper and do the same thing on the other side. Just put the stop and hold it. And now go here and just use your nail and go that way, that way. Same on the other side, still holding it here. Going like this. Smooth it out. Now we will turn around the paper. We'll fold it right here. Open it, turn around again, like this. Now we will fold it again, right here. Now we will open it. Now we will rotate it, like this. And now we will push it a little bit, put it together, and put it like this and this. Now we will place this side in the middle. So you take it like this, help yourself with the finger. Just hold it here, put it like that. You have to be very careful, so you have it very nice at the top. Use your nail. Be precise. Try to be precise as possible. Do the same on the other side. Use your nail again. Now we have it like this, and you have to fold it once more. We'll put this side right here. Same on the other side. Like this. And now we will unfold it, both sides, like this. We will use the lines. So now we will put our fingers right here. And put it like this. You see, we'll have a triangle right here. This is a straight line. And now we will fold it behind that. So we will hide it like this. Okay, now we will do the same on the other side. So again, we will hold it here and we will bring it just like this. And now we have to hide it again, this piece. So we will hide it inside like this. Now we're finished with one side. Now we will turn it around and do the same on the other side. So we will take this side and put it here. Try to be very precise. Take your time. Do not hurry too much. Now do the same on the other side. Put this right here. And now we will put this right here. Be very careful, very precise, take your time, do not hurry too much. Do it on the other side, help your nail. Help with your nail. Like this. Now we will unfold it. And now we will hold this part and this finger right here, and we will fold it like this and hold this part like that. So we have 1, 2, 3 in the triangle here. Now we have to hide this part, so we will hide it like this. And now we have to do the same on the other side, so put finger here, hold it here, hold it here. And again here we have to hide this side and inside like this. And now we will turn it like this. We're going to fold this part up. So we fold it like this. And we will hide it inside, so we will take it and hide it. Be careful. Now you see, I'm going to hide it inside like this. Hope you can see it good. Like this. So now we will do the other side. We will fold it one time, second time. Now we will be folding here. Fold it like this. And we will hide it inside again. So we'll take it, make room for it, and hide it inside. Like this. And now we will make this part. We have to go back here and we will fold this part here like this. And now we will open the inside and hide it like that. Now we will turn around the tree. Do the same on the other side. We will fold it right here. And we will hide it. So open this and hide it like that. So we have a tree. Now the tree is almost finished. We need to place a star on the top. So you can see it's very pretty. So look at the star. And now we will take glue and put it on here, here and here. And now we'll put it on the top part of the tree. So right here. We will turn around take another star, turn it around, but now glue it all around. And place it on the tree, the star. Be very careful, take your time. And now the tree is finished. Hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe. Have a beautiful day.